Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Zoom to Outlook. This will make it easy to schedule and manage Zoom meetings directly from Outlook without switching between apps. So let's get started. First of all, open Outlook on your desktop and click on Home in the top left corner. From the menu, select Get AdSense. This will open the AdSense store where you can search for different integrations. In the search bar, type Zoom and press Enter. You should see the official Zoom AdSense appear in the results. Click Add to integrate Zoom with your Outlook account. Once the AdSense is installed, go back to the Outlook calendar and click on New Event. Now you will see the Zoom option. From the drop-down menu, click Add Zoom Meeting. Sign in with your Zoom account and Outlook will automatically insert the meeting link and details. Now whenever you create a new meeting in Outlook, you can easily add Zoom meeting details with a single click. And that's it. Now you know how to add Zoom to Outlook on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.